Hi everyone, I'm Stu with the SCW sales team, and it's my job to help you pick the right security cameras for your surveillance needs. Today we'll be looking at the Warrior Bullet Camera. The Warrior Bullet Camera is great for everyday needs, from home use to large facilities. It's easy to install thanks to its fixed lens, 80-degree field of view, and requires few adjustments. Its IP67 weatherproof rating makes it great for both indoor and outdoor use. It comes with 100 feet of infrared night vision and uses special anti-reflective glass, meaning it's great for daytime or nighttime use. We offer the Warrior camera in both a 2 and 4 megapixel resolution option. SCW sales team is here to assist you. We offer complimentary floor plan layouts, customized quotes, and can answer any of your questions about our products. As always, SCW's products are backed by a 3-year warranty and free lifetime US-based tech support. Call us at 866-414-2553. Thanks for watching.